Alright, so this is our water-fed pole gun kit, and this is great for putting on your Banshee or your Spectre to allow you to soft wash way up top in areas that you may not be able to access with your ladder. So if you come in here close, you can see that we have an adapter here that attaches to the actual water-fed pole gun kit, and it's affixed with a screw that goes on the metal piece. And this allows us to adjust the angle of approach. And we can make it straight up and down, or we can make it a full 90 degrees. And there are some times that we actually want to have it go in a little bit when we're on top of a roof and maybe shooting backwards and doing some barrel tile or even just some regular shingle. So this is really good. And they have a lot of adapters. We have gooseneck adapters, we have metal, plastic, anything that can that you need. And we also have Acme, and then we're using a Euro adapter as far as affixing it to the pole. So this is another great tool to have in your bag. Now I'm going to show you how to attach this to your applicator wand. This is the end of the water-fed pole gun kit. It's 25 feet, and it has a 1/4 inch male tip. And it's going to go just like your tips on your wand, right in there. Pull back on the collar, you're going to put it in, and then you can turn it on using your ball valve. And so this is going to require 2 people, one person to use the pole, and then another person to sit back and turn it on and off, communicating with your assistant technician to make sure that they are spraying where they need to. Because if you're a little further back, you can see what's going on.